welcome to my channel. Here you'll see a little cooking, baking and drink making. It's gonna be fun over here, sharing ideas and learning from each other. What I will be making today is some chicken pasta with a twist. If you like the content and hope to see my improvements, please like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button. First step, season your chicken for it to marinate. Here I have some chicken breast already seasoned. I added Maggi chicken seasoning, ginger, jerk seasoning and some salt. It's up to you to add the seasoning of your choice for your particular flavors. My chopped onions and garlic, my chopped sweet pepper, hot pepper and tomatoes, carrots for color, homemade tomato sauce. After which I put my pot of water to a boil and added my pasta of choice. You can use whichever pasta you like. Now you see that the pasta is boiling. I then added my salt, guys. P.S. I should have added my salt from the beginning. However, I totally forgot. I'm not a salt person. Also, guys, add to your liking. I then checked back after about 4 minutes and my pasta was ready. After which it was time to start frying my chicken. I added about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. After it got hot, I added my seasoned chicken. And guys, you can use the oil of your choice. I use vegetable oil because that is what I had. I hope everybody is able to see this video. It was videoed in the night, and the next thing, you can fry your chicken to your preferred look. So while the chicken was frying, I strained my pasta. Then after which I took the fried chicken from the pot and added oil to start frying my ground seasonings. Added my onions and garlic. Then my sweet pepper, hot pepper and tomato. Then stirred while it was frying. Then added my carrots for color and flavor. smells so good, guys. I wish you could smell it. After which, I added my homemade tomato sauce and stirred everything together. I then added my chicken. I only got mine partially browned. Please fry the chicken to your preferred look. Then I added my cheese. Guys, please note that you can add your shredded cheese or shred your cheese yourself. I shredded my own cheese, as you can see. After leaving that for about 2 minutes, I then went ahead and added my pasta and mixed everything together. Now this is where I added the twist. I then added some mayonnaise. Most persons use whipped cream. I mean, it is up to you what you want to add for flavor and texture. It looks so yummy, right? Sorry for the mess, guys. I mean, I'm dealing with wet and creamy ingredients. I then added some sweet corn as the final ingredient and mixed everything together. And now we have our finished product. Looks so good, guys, and tasted amazing. I hope this video was of some help to you. See you in the next. Peace.